Hello friends. So today we will be studying Absalom and Achitophel. Absalom and Achitophel. Okay. So this has been written by John Dryden, composed by John Dryden. It was published in 1681. Okay. This is an allegorical poem. In an allegorical poem, what happens is some things, some characters from any story represent the other. Okay, so here it is a political allegory. Political allegory. Okay, so the story of Absalom and Achitophel has been taken from the Bible. Okay, and then this story represents the political situation of England. Okay, and England at which time? During the reign of King Charles the Second. Got it? So the political situation which was there in the time of King Charles the Second, that has been shown through the story in the Bible, in which the reign of King David was there over Israel. Okay, and this side we have King Charles, who was the king of England. So when King Charles is represented by King David in the story, that is why we have this term allegorical poem. Okay, allegory. Now in the story we have King David, who has got an illegitimate son, Absalom. Okay, from where the name of the poem comes. He actually represents the illegitimate son of King Charles II, Duke of Monmouth. Then we have he is misguided by Achitophel. Okay, and Achitophel represents advisor here for Duke of Monmouth, Earl of Shrewsbury. Okay, his actual name is Anthony Ashley Cooper. So during this time, the story was that Achitophel manipulates Absalom to overthrow his father, okay, King David, and have the throne. And this side, Earl of Shrewsbury was manipulating Duke of Monmouth to overthrow the king, that is King Charles II. So through the plot that we have here, the representation has been done to the plots Exclusion Crisis and Popish plot. From England. Okay, so these two plots were there in England. And then, as we know, we always, when there is a plot, there are two sides, isn't it? So obviously King David, he had some friends, some enemies. So this is all that we have in the poem. So even in the case of England, King Charles has some friends, some enemies. So their names are there, and similarly we have that allegory for them also. If you like such videos, please subscribe to my channel, and then please comment in the comment box if you need more videos.